Thank you, Ashley. We're now turning to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, who is tracking some cold temperatures this morning. Caitlin, as people are heading out the door, what do they need to plan for?
Well, it is definitely chilly this morning. We're off to a frosty start across nearly all inland locations. The only one immune to this cold air moving in from the north, still the coast, as we're starting off in the 40s. But take a look along the I-5 corridor. All of us into the mid-30s and into the teens and 20s as we work our way into the Klamath Basin. But add those winds to it and we're feeling even colder. Feeling more like 29 degrees at Montague, feeling like 19 degrees at Lakeview. So again, bundling up this morning. Those kiddos catching the school bus need that hat and gloves. So your coffee cast today, you want to grab that extra large, extra hot cup of coffee. So we're staying pretty cool even into this afternoon. Expect the coolest day so far this week across the region, up to about 45 degrees by 10 o'clock today, up into the lower 50s, still cool by the lunch hour. On the plus side though, expecting mostly sunny skies across the region. Along the coast today, we're up into the 50s and the 60s. Tracking gusty winds, though, out of the northeast up to 30 miles an hour. For those of us in Siskiyou County, starting off cold this morning and staying pretty cool this afternoon. 52 our high today at Weed and 57 degrees at Wairika. As we head into the Shasta Valley and central Siskiyou County, expect wind gusts today up to 25 miles an hour. For the Klamath Basin, we're back into the 40s today after a chilly start. Expect sunshine and gusts today up to 25 miles an hour. Breezy for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, up to 36 today with those winds up to 25 miles an hour, making us feel even colder. 44 today at Lake of the Woods with plenty of sunshine. And breezy this afternoon, especially as we head into the Bear Creek Valley. But the entire Rogue Valley today, seeing those winds up to about 15 miles an hour, mostly sunny skies and temperatures into the upper 50s and lower 60s. Tonight, as winds continue to blow out of the north, we'll see the coldest air so far this season really move down into our region. Expecting overnight lows back into the teens east of the Cascades, into the 20s and 30s for our west side valleys in northern California, and into the 40s along the coast. So this is bringing a freeze warning for tomorrow from 2 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock. So very cold start as we're continuing to track very cold temperatures again into the 20s and 30s. You need to take in those sensitive plants and cover those exposed pipes outside. Otherwise, the next couple of days starting to warm up, especially into Friday, 74 degrees, tracking cooler temperatures and a chance of rain as we head into the weekend though. So take a look at your temperature trend, really warming up here in the next couple of days, back to average for your Friday and then cooling back down as we track that next system. So the next 7 days along the coast, starting off cool, warming up just a bit and then cooling down again with that chance of rain showers both Saturday, Sunday, and then a better chance of showers onto Tuesday. For those of us in Northern California, 57 your high today. We're cold tonight, back into the 20s and 30s, 64 tomorrow though, and staying mostly dry as we head throughout this week. Klamath Basin starting off chilly this morning, but 48 that high today. Cold tonight, back into the teens. For those of us in the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, 46 that high today. A bit colder tonight, back into the teens and 20s. And the Rogue Valley, frost advisory this morning, freeze warning again tonight, but staying cool today with highs into the lower 60s.